Hi guys, there's been a couple questions today about this section right here on the project where it's asking you to list the constellations that are north, south, east, and west of your chosen constellation. So if you go to a sky map, and I can post these on, I can post the web address on the Google Classroom as well. Otherwise, it's just skymaps.com, SKYMAPS.com. And they'll have a copy, a free download of the Northern Hemisphere and the Southern Hemisphere for April. Okay, so let's say I chose this little guy here, Crater. The constellation that would be to my north, here's our directions right here on the edge, right on the horizon. So to my north, it would be Virgo and Leo. To the west would be Corvus, and then to the east and to the south would be Hydra, because it wraps around here. If you pick one of the constellations that is near the edge, like Libra here, you may need to, this is the northern hemisphere, you may need to also look at the southern hemisphere too to see where, where this map ends, the southern hemisphere begins. So then you can figure out what's down here that is outside of our view in the northern hemisphere. Anyways, I hope that helps. If you have any more questions, let me know.